ሰላም everybody እንኳን ተመለሳችሁ ወደ Bitcoin Ethiopia channel በሰላም መጣችሁ በዛሬው ቪዲዮ we're going to be talking about Bitcoin as it has dropped 50% from its all-time high በኦክቶበር ወር ላይ ካገኘነው all-time high 126,000 የአሜሪካ ዶላር ነበረ አሁን ላይ 50% ቀንሰን ዛሬ ጠዋት ላይ ማለትም አርብ ዕለት 60,000 የአሜሪካ ዶላር ገብተናል እና what to expect next it has been a while since we had a 50% drop እና በሚቀጥሉት ደግሞ ማርኬት ላይ ምን ኤክስፔክት እናድርግ የምንለውን በደንብ አብረን የምናይ ይሆናል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳትረሱ። ቪዲዮን ከወደዳችሁ ደግሞ አይታችሁ ብቻ አትለፉ። ላይክ በማድረግ ቻናሉን በደንብ ሰፖርት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። አመሰግናለሁ። ወደ ቪዲዮ በቀጥታ እንሂድ። ኦኬ ሶ አሁን እንደነገርኳችሁ ቢትኮይን የ50% ድሮፕ ካገኘ it's been a while ብያችሁ ነበረ። ICT ቻናል into the cryptoverse ላይ ገብተን እዚህ ጋር we can search for days እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱ days since percentage decline ላይ ገብተን percentage declineውን እዚህ ጋር 50 ብንለው እዚህ ጋር ገና አፕዴት አልተደረገም ቻናሉ ላይ እና it shows this shows us BTC days since 50% declines from any position okay ከማንኛውም position last time that we went this part አሁን እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱ ቀይዋ ላይን the days it took ነው የሚያሳየን አሁን ላይ በጣም we were really extended we just had that yesterday እና 1180 ቀን ነበር የወሰደው this time out last time that it was this long was back in 2018 okay and I think it was on the same month that we had this kind of decline it was on 1st of February we are on 6th of February right now so this February ላይ ነን እና I guess history repeats itself it just rhymes not but it doesn't it doesn't repeat itself but it does rhyme so we have ተመሳሳይ ታይም ላይ ተመሳሳይ bear ማርኬቶች ላይ we're having that this አሁን እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት አሁን ወደ ታች እዚህ ጋር መጥቶ ሪሰት ማድረጉ አይቀርም እና ተመሳሳይ ከ2018 ጋር when we see የ50% decline last time ያገኘ ነው የሚለውን ስንጠይቅ እና so yeah we had that drop we can measure it right here I guess this was the top and ትናንትና ላይ ነበር እንደምታዩት እዚህ ጋር 50% ከዛ በላይም ነው actually ወደ ዛሬ ጠዋት ላይ 60 ገብቶ ነበረ አሁን we're having a bit of a bounce let's see exactly we dropped about 52% okay from the all-time high so yeah ይህንን ያየ ነው በጣም የሚያስቀኝ ነገር ብዙ ሰዎች still የቤር ማርኬት ውስጥ እንዳልሆነን ኮንቪንስድ ሆነው በ2026 ቤር ማርኬት አይኖርም እንቀጥላለን በዚህ ወደ ላይ መሄድ ብሎ ሲያወሩ ሰምቻለሁ ስም አልጠራም even Ethiopian crypto guys እና ስም አልጠራም ነገር ግን I was following their channels እና ያየሁትኝ ምን እንደሚያወሩ ለመስማት ፈልጌ they're still telling people that we are going to have a bear we are in a bull market እና I have been telling you guys we are in a bear market. I wanted to show you the last time that I posted when we had a market update video. እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት ይሄንን ቪዲዮ Bitcoin bear market confirmed ብዬ ከዚህ በኋላ ምን ይሆናል ብዬ ቪዲዮ ፖስት አድርጌላችሁ ነበር. This was 2 months ago. It was on November 21st እና I guess ይህንን ቻናል ፎሎ የምታደርጉ ከሆነ የእውነተኛውን ነገር እያሳየኋችሁ ነው በምችለው አቅሜ ሁሉ ነገር ለእናንተ በደንብ ለማሳየት የሞከርኩ ነው እና እውነቱን ነው መናገር የምፈልገው I don't want to say you that አሁን ገዝታችሁ በአንድ ሀብታም ትሆናላችሁ አላችሁም የማርኬት ሳይክል ቲዮሪዎች አሉ የቢትኮይን 4 year ሳይክል አለ እና it's still intact አሁን እስከምናየው ድረስ 2026 it has been a bear market as it has been other years the midterm years has always been a bear market እና ይህ midterm year ተብሎ የሚጠራው ፓርት ሁሉ ጊዜ bear market ነው ብዙ ሰዎች ግን ሱፐር ሳይክል ላይ ነን ቢትኮይን እሱን ፎሎ አድርግም ካምፓኒዎች እየገዙ ስለሆነ ይሄ ነገር ኤግዚስት አድርግም ይሉ ነበርና it's not true Bitcoin is in a bear market ይህንን ቻርት ስትመለከቱ you cannot say it's not a bear market it is a bear market okay so yeah people can say whatever they want to say ግን ትክክለኛውን እውነቱን ለእናንተ ለማቅረብ ስለምፈልግ ነው እንደዚህ ምላችሁ so ዋነኛው ጥያቄ is the drop over ወደ ታች የምንሄደው ነገር አልቋል maybe but not for long ይህንንም የምልበት ምክንያት I want to make a comparison to the 2022 bear market okay ለምን ሮቤል ካላችሁ በደንብ አሁን just give me some minutes and I will tell you and I will show you what I am talking about okay አንድ ነገር አሁንም እዚህ ጋር ፖይንት አውት ትናንትና ላይቭ ሴሽን ነበረን። የላይቭ ሴሽኑ ላይ በደንብ ብዙ ነገር አሳይቻችኋለሁ እና if you didn't check it out you can go ላይቭ ከሚለው ላይ እዚህ ጋር ላይቭ የኔ ቻናል ላይ ሄዳችሁ ላይቭ የሚሉት ጋር ሄዳችሁ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ይሄኛው ነበር ላይቭ ሴሽን ያደረግነው እና ብዙ ነገር አውርተናል እዛ ላይ if you didn't catch up what we talked about you can go and check it out there. So basically what we said is we break from the 200 no sorry from the 50 weekly moving average, and then we go to we consolidate a little bit consolidate እናደርግና ወደ በሰማያዊ የምትመለከቱት ደግሞ የመቶ ዊክሊ ሙቪንግ አቨሬጅ ነው። ከዛ ደግሞ ከዚህ በኋላ ብሬክ አድርገን we go straight to the 200 weekly moving average. So Bitcoin does this every cycle. ከዚህ በፊት የነበሩት ከ2022 ቤር ማርኬት በፊት የነበሩትንም አሳይቻችኋለሁ። የላይቭ ሴሽኑ ላይ ሄዳችሁ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ነገሮች ላለመደጋገም ነው። አሁንም ተመሳሳይ ነገር እያየን ነው። ኦኬ we lost the 50 week, we now lost the 100, and I guess next we were really close, and I guess we are going there. That's our destination. last cycle ላይ ከዚህም ወረድ ብለን ነበረ። I guess also this time ሊሆን ሊያጋጥም ይችላል because በጣም እየወረድን ነው more than expected. and ሌላኛው በጣም ከሁለቱን ሳይክል የሆኑና የድሮውን በጣም የሚያመሳስለው በተለይ 2022 ላይ even the double top kind of thing ነው። እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት እዚህ ጋር we had slightly higher highs. okay we had this ወደ ታች የሄደበት time, we had this high right here, we had this low right here, and then we had another higher high. So ሁለቱ በጣም ተመሳሳይ ናቸው ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ one can say. okay so let's take this drawings off, and I want to show you another very important similarity. We had, after losing the 50 week, we had a bear flag. okay a bear flag confirmed right here. okay so I want to show you this also what we had recently. okay so we had a bear flag, we have been ወደ ታች በጣም ካፒቹሌት አደረግን፣ ከዛ ቦተም አገኘን እዚች ጋር፣ ከዛ ወደ ላይ ትንሽ ለመሄድ ሞከርን። we tried ግን ብሬክ ዳውን ካደረግን በኋላ we went through the 100 weekly moving average. okay ወደ ታች ዳይሬክትሊ ወረድን። we capitulated right here, you can see እዚህ ጋር በጣም ወደ ታች ወርዶ ለ200 በጣም ቀርቦ ነበረ። okay so let me show you what happened now. አሁን የተፈጠረውን ደግሞ መልሼ ላሳያችሁ። we had a bear flag. okay we went to these lows, we had support, we tried to go up, we got rejected right here. okay rejected አደረግን። ከዛ በኋላ we broke from this bear flag, ወደ ላይ የሚሄድ bear flag ነበረ። we broke from it, so ሰማያዊውን ብሬክ አደረግን። ከዚህ bear flag ስንወጣ ወደ 100 weekly moving average break አደረግን፣ ወረድን። okay we had this major 2 weeks in a row capitulation to the downside. we went near በጣም ቀርበን ነበረ ወደ 200 weekly moving average. so I guess guys this is the same thing that's happening. history rhymes, it doesn't repeat, I know that, but it seems too good to be true what's happening right here. ሁለት ዊክ በተከታታይ አንድ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ዊክ ዳውን ወደ ታች ዊክ ዳውን ወደ 200 ቀረብን። now we were actually even closer than before, it doesn't repeat itself. ነገር በጣም ቀረብን። we had a rally, today we are having a rally back up. so I mean በጣም ተመሳሰለ፣ በጣም ተመሳሰለ። so I mean I guess what's going to happen next is a consolidation right here. ወደ 70 ሺህ አካባቢ ላይ ኮንሶሊዴት ማድረግ እዚህ ጋር እንደዚህ። wait a second, terrible drawing. wait a second, let's eliminate this one. so እዚህ ጋር ከወረደ በኋላ ካፒቹሌት ካደረግን በኋላ እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት we consolidated for a while. so I guess next is a bit of consolidation right here. what do you think? I think that's what's going to happen. because we did find some kind of bottom right now. ትንሽ bottom ነገር ያገኘን ይመስላል. Okay? እንደምታዩት እዚህ ጋር. So I guess maybe that's what's going to happen next. Why not? You hear me? Uh, I wanted to draw you a path. Where was it? Sorry, where is it? I cannot find it. I don't know where they put these things. Echo path. So as you can see here, we went down, okay? We went down, we went a little bit up, we went down, we went up, and then we had a major another leg down. What I touch meager down again, okay? So I guess what if we have this capitulation right here? We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, and then have that major capitulation to the downside. What do you think, guys? እኔ እንደዚህ የሚሆን ይመስለኛል። በጣም ከባለፈው ሳይክል ጋር በጣም ኮምፔር ማድረግ ይቻላል ያሳለፍነውን ነገር እና maybe this is what's going to happen. So saying this, we can also measure how long it took last time ላይ ምን ያክል ፈጀበት ከዚህ ከሜጀር ካፒቹሌሽኑ ጋር ስንት ዊክ ፈጀበት የሚለውን ስንቆጥር it took 4 bars, so it's 28 days. 4 bars, okay? Let's measure 4 bars from this capitulation right here. አራት bar. It puts us in March. March ላይ ነው put የሚያደርገን. Of course, is it going to be exactly as it happened? Does it have to be 4 weeks exactly? No, it doesn't have to be. አራት ሳምንት exactly መሆን ያለበት አይመስለኝም. Because it doesn't have to repeat itself exactly. ነገር ግን ተመሳሳይ ነገር I guess we can find Bitcoin having another leg down ወደ ታች እንደገና ይወርዳል ብዬ ኤክስፔክት አደርጋለሁ። መቼ I guess in a month or two maximum መስጠት እንችላለን። ግን I think now we are going to be consolidating a little bit, okay? Then I guess we're going to go down here from the 200 weekly moving average where we go every bear market. ያሳለፍናቸውን ቤር ማርኬቶች ብትመለከቱ በቢትኮይን ታሪክ just ሁል ጊዜ it goes እዚህ ጋር የምታዩት የ2017 ታፕ ነው። 2018 ላይ it went to the 200 weekly moving average። እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት 2013 ታፕ ነው። 2014 ላይ it went to the 200 weekly moving average. It goes below it. Last cycle we went even below it. We went even below the 300 weekly moving average. Where is it? This one. በቢጫ የምትመለከቱት ከዛም ከ200 ወርደን እዛ ጋም ሄደናል። So I guess maybe we can find Bitcoin at these prices here sooner rather than later. So that's my expectation right now. አሁን የምትመለከቱትን ማርኬት እያያችሁት ነው ከዚህ ጋር እንዴት በጣም ተመሳሳይ እንደሆነና I guess now we're going to be consolidating a little bit as we did right here. After this leg down, we consolidated for how long? Let's see. It took 10 bars, right? Let's zoom in, wait. Yep, 10 bars, okay? So if we say it will take another 10 bars, 10 weeks ማለት ነው, it would put us in April. So I guess March እና April ውስጥ expect another low and ወደታች የሚሄድ እንደገና በቢትኮይን, okay? Another capitulation to the downside. Where? To the 200 weekly moving average or the 300 weekly moving average. I guess it will find support in these regions, as at least that's what I expect. Last cycle, after we have dropped from this region right here, you can see ወደ 200 ወደ ታች ሄድን, we found some kind of support. Okay, we found some kind of support. So yeah, that's my expectation, guys. This is, I think, what's going to be making a lot of sense. At least እኔ እንደዛ ነው የሚመስለኝ next ሊፈጠሩ የሚችሉት ብዬ ማስባቸው ነገሮች እነዚህ ናቸው. So yeah, expect, let me write it down here. Where is it? Text. Expect BTC at around the 200 weekly moving average or the 300 weekly moving average. Okay, so this is my expectation, guys. If I'm going to nail it or not, we're going to be seeing. But this is my expectation. This is my base case for Bitcoin. And I think that's why, at least me, I didn't start buying any Bitcoin. I will start accumulating because these regions are very interesting for me to start accumulating. And ያው update ማድረጋችሁ ይሆናል when these levels are reached and breached እዛ አካባቢ ላይ ስንደርስ ሞር አፕዴት እሰጣችኋለሁ ሞር የምናወራ ይሆናል ነገር ግን አሁን ላይ still I didn't start buying because I think we are on the second stage of the bear market. Okay, for me a bear market has three stages. Okay, ሶስት stage አለ. So we have the 50 week, the 100 week, and then the third step is going to the 200 weekly or the 300 weekly. So I think there are three steps as I told you. መጀመሪያ እዚህ ጋር የመጀመሪያ ስቴፕ አሁን let's eliminate this ሁለተኛ ስቴፕ ላይ ነን ከዛ ሶስተኛ ስቴፕ ላይ እንገባለን. Bear market usually takes about a year. So time based we are a little bit ፈጥነናል. Okay, so if we measure ከ50 ዊኩ ኮንፈርም ካገኘን በኋላ ቢትኮይን wait a second, not this one, ከዚህ በፊት የነበሩትን ሳይክሎች ነው የምናየው ከ50 ዊክ ከወደቅን በኋላ ወደ 200 ለመድረስ ምን ያክል ዊክሊ ክሎዝስ ያገኘንበት ታይም ነው የሚቆጥረው. so right here it took about 24 bars, it's 168 days. The previous cycle it took about, let's see, this is the first Ziga, we took, no, the first week we need 196 ቀን and Ziga ደግሞ የ2013 ሳይክሉ ላይ this was when we had that confirmation and we went below, it's right here. So 154 ቀን. Okay, let's write it right here. We had 168 ቀን 196 and we had 150. Okay, so this is usually how long it takes to go from the 50 week moving average እዛ ጋር ብሬክ ያደረግን ታይም ወደ 200 weekly moving average የሚሄድበት ታይም. so እስኪ አሁን ብሬክ ያደረግንበትን ታይም እንሂድና እንመልከትና let's see where we are አሁን ስንተኛ ዊክ ላይ መሆናችን እስቲ እንይ. so this was the time that we had that አሁን ላይ we are at the 84ኛ ቀን ላይ ነው. we're early. So if we go until the, let's say መካከለኛ ለስንት ናቸው 126 196 154. so let's take an average and say 182 ቀን አሁን እዚህ ጋር እንዳየነው እዛ ጋር ይሄዳል ብለን ኤክስፔክት እናደርግ. it gives us May ነው የሚለው. since we broke from there to this to what usually takes from the 50 week to the 200. Okay, so I guess should we be expecting a low እስከ may ላይ expect እናደርግ ምክንያቱም usually it takes about a year. so what we usually expect is since we had a high in October to have a low in October of 2026. Okay, you can see this high was in November, the low was in November. You can see right here the low that we had was on November. We had a high in December, we had a low in December, we had a high in this what day was this? December. I guess this time was a bit different. Maybe this was the low. This time was different. I guess it was in January the low or not. Yeah, usually it is. Okay, አሁን እንዳየ ነው. so I mean it might be different this time because የማርኬት የአሁኑን ያሳለፍነው ማርኬት በሪስክ ሌቨል ብትመለከቱት let's see if it loads. Yeah, on the risk levels social metrics ላይ ብትመለከቱት we have had this color code እናድርገው የአሁኑ top it was not euphoric top you can see right here euphoric የምንለው ሪስክ ሌቭሉ ኤዩ ላይ ሲደርስ ነው ከ0.7 አካባቢ ሲበልጥ ነው so if we take this off and the risk level በጣም heated up የነበረበት ጊዜ ላይ ብንመለከት the only time bitcoin አሁን ላይ didn't top with that kind of risk levels we topped on a situation or a market level called apathy የሚባል የማርኬት ሌቭል ላይ ነው top ያደረግነው እና so yeah this is the current situation so that's why maybe I'm expecting a low very soon don't be fooled with this rally አሁን የምትመለከቱት rally don't be fooled about it ምክንያቱም ተመሳሳይ ነገር እዚህ ጋር አይተናል guys we had a deep capitulation right here we went back up in that week check this bar እዚህ ጋር ያለችውን bar ተመልከቷት before we started this consolidation we had this ወደ ታች ወረደ ከዛ ግን we had a rally back up okay we recovered about how many percent 23% okay let's check this out አሁን ያለውን if we recover 23% it will put us at 74 before the end of this week okay 70 ሺህ ላይ መግባት አሁን ራሱ በጣም እየቀረበን ነውና there is a big possibility 70 ሺህ ላይ ምንገባው በዚህ ሳምንት so yeah don't be fooled it doesn't mean the bear market is over it just means that we are consolidating for a bit we found a bottom for a while so this is what I wanted to tell you guys if you see this bear market አሁን ያለንበትን bear market ካለፉት bear marketoች ጋር compare ብናደርገው from the low so first of all I wanted to compare የአሁኑን የቢትኮይን ከቅርብ ጊዜ in general midterm years ተብሎ ከሚጠሩት bitcoin where it has a bear market እና let's compare አሁን ያለፈ ያለው ነገር ይሄ 2016 ነው this is average ተደርጎ midterm years okay as you can see we're tracking it very well አንዳንድ ጊዜ ወደ ላይ ከፍ አድርገን አውት ፐርፎርም እናደርገዋለን ወይ ያኛው አቨሬጅ አውት ፐርፎርም ያደርጋል አሁን we are underperforming and then now we're bouncing to the upside so I guess we are following it as you can see bitcoin year to date ROI return on investment on the year to date it is tracking it as it usually does in this bear market okay midterm years they're usually bear markets and bitcoin is doing that the other comparison ሌላኛው comparison ከእናንተ ጋር ማድረግ የፈለኩት የነበረው I wanted to show you the ROI from the low okay ከሁለቱ ጋር በጣም ተመሳሳይ ነው ቶፕ ያደረገው በዚህ ሳይክል ኖርማሊ ቶፕ ከሚያደርግበት ሳይክል ነው በቢጫ የምትመለከቱት የ2018 የ2017 ቶፕ ነው በአረንጓዴ የምትመለከቱት ደግሞ የ2021 ቶፕ ነው you can see የባለፈው እዚህ ጋር ነበር ቶፕ ያደረገው ይሄኛውም በጣም ቀርቦ ነው 1000 ስንት ቀን ነው 1000 where is it it does take same kind of dates okay አሁን ወደ ቦተሙ እንዴት ሄደ የሚለውን ትራክ ስናደርግ check it out top ካደረገ በኋላ we're doing what bitcoin always does እንደምትመለከቱት ነው we do have some kind of back to the upside rally እናደርጋለን higher highs no lower highs and lower lows እያደረግን ነው የምንሄደው ወደታች እና so yeah don't be fooled if we have a bounce right here ወደ ላይ የምንሄድ ከሆነ ወደ 74000 75000 even 80000 ብንገባ it doesn't really matter we are in a bear market ከዛ በኋላ እንደገና we're going to be having another deeper downward step to the downside okay so that's my expectation comparing the cycle to the previous cycles ምክንያቱም compare ማድረግ በጣም ጠቃሚ ነው guys ከምታስቡ በላይ በጣም ጠቃሚ ነውና compare ስናደርገው ይህንን ነው የሚያሳየን አንድ ነገር ሳልል አላልፍም I am not a day trader this channel is not for day trading ዛሬ ኢንቨስት አድርጋችሁ በዛሬ ሲግናል እየሰጠዋችሁ ምናምን የምታደርጉበት ቻናል አይደለም። አም ሶሪ በት that's not it። እሱን ፈልጋችሁ ከመጣችሁ this is not the channel for you። I am rather a long term or a medium term investor, you can say that. I don't want to be I don't want to be acting like I am that genius that can make a lot of money in a day and that can lose a lot of money in a day. እነሱ ሞር ገንዘብ ሲሰሩ ሊያሳያችሁ ይችላሉ፣ ግን they do really lose a lot. At least I don't prefer that kind of trading. I need a more medium term. I think Bitcoin goes 3 years is not a lot. 3 years ነው የቢትኮይን ሳይክል 4 year ሳይክል ነው እና ወደ ታች 1 ዓመት ይሄዳል፣ 3 ዓመት ወደ ላይ ይሄዳል። በብዙ ቪዲዮዎች አስረድቻችኋለሁ። ሶ ሲንግ ዳት ለእኔ ያ ታይፕ ኦፍ ኢንቨስትመንት አሪፍ ነው። ሎ ቤር ማርኬቱ ላይ አግኝቶ ኢንቨስት አድርጎ ከዛ ደግሞ 8 እጥፍ 9 እጥፍ በ3 ዓመት በጣም በተረጋጋ መንገድ ማግኘት I think it's really good። 2026 is a bear market. In fact, I don't think we're going to see an all-time high, and I think it's a good time to accumulate. No financial advice. This is not a financial advice, okay? So, but the thing is, in midterm years, it has been really good to accumulate Bitcoin, okay? ከዚህ ቪዲዮ ቀጥሎ ስለ ሪስኮቹ ሌቭል የቢትኮይንን መች ኢንቨስት ማድረግ እንዳለባችሁ ምሰራላችሁ ይሆናል። ሶ ለሱ ቪዲዮ እንዳያመልጣችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁና ለቻናሉ ሜምበር መሆናችሁ እንዳትረሱ። ቪዲዮውን ላይክ እያደረጋችሁት እንቀጥል። ቪዲዮን ከመጨረስ በፊት ስለ ኢቴሪየም አንዳንድ ነገር ልበላችሁና ልሂድ። ሌሎቹ አልትኮይን I'm not that much interested. when there is አሪፍ ነገር ለእናንተ ማቀርብላችሁ ይሆናል። ግን የኢቴሪየምን ሎጋሪትሚክ ሪግሬሽኑን ኮት ኤንድ ኮት ፌር ቫልዩ የሚባለው ነው ማሳያቸው። ኦኬ በመሃል የምትመለከቱት ፌር ቫልዩ ነው። ከላይ ያለው ነምበብል አፐር ነው፣ ነምበብል ሎወር ነው እና I guess ኢቴሪየም goes back to this እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት ሎጋሪትሚክ ሪግሬሽን ባንዱን ቤር ማርኬት ላይ ወደዛ ይሄዳል በብዛት። አሁንም እዛ ላይ ገብተናል ኦልሬዲ። ላስት ሳይክል ላይ we didn't spend that much time inside that region። እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት we were above it every time ወደ ታች ወደዛ ሪግሬሽን መግባት ሲሞክር ወደ ላይ ራሊ ያደረገኝ ነበረ። ነገር ግን ይህ ሪግሬሽን ላይ ነው it didn't catch up the fair value of Ethereum. It didn't catch up with the value of ኢቴሪየም። ለዛም ነው ኢቴሪየም ወደ 10,000 ወደ 15,000 አሜሪካ ዶላር መሄድ ያልቻለበት ምክንያት። if you guys can see Ethereum was $4,000 2021 ላይ ፕራይሱን 4.3k okay. If you can even more, I guess, yeah, even more, let's be precise, okay? I want to be precise. 4.8k, okay. At that time ይህ ሃይ የነበረበት ላይ የዚህ ጋር ነምበብል ፊት የሚለውን የምትመለከቱትን እንደምታዩት የኢቴሪየም ፕራይስ 458 ነው። ኦኬ ሶሪ ጋይስ። ሶ if you can see this, the fair value of Ethereum didn't catch up with the market value of so that's why it has been stuck in this region እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት this boring region ምንም price action region because the fair value didn't catch up with the true value. Okay, so now we are inside it. Last cycle we didn't spend that much time. Now we are inside it. I think በ2026 we're going to be in this ነምበብል አፐሩ ነምበብል ሎወሩ በዛ ሪጅን ውስጥ የምናሳልፍ ይመስለኛል። ከዛ በኋላ አሁን ላይ ኦሬዲ ይህ ነምበብል አፐሩ it's around 3k 3k ላይ ኦሬዲ ገብቷል 3k ላይ so it is going good 2000 ላይ እየደረሰ ነው። so ይሄንን ኤክስቴንድ ብናደርገው ማድረግ አልችልም። እዚህ ጋር ኤክስቴንድ ብናደርገው ይሄ ፌር ቫልዩ ወደ ላይ ከፍ እያለ ነው የሚሄደው፣ ከፍ እያለም ነው ወደ ላይ የሚመጣው። ስለዚህ I guess next cycle we can expect Ethereum to be really good investment but not this በ2026 አይደለም ከ2027 በኋላ የምናገኘው ሳይክል ላይ በጣም አሪፍ ነገር ኢቴሪየም ያመጣልናል ብዬ ኤክስፔክት ማድረገው። ለዛም ነው እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት last cycle didn't spend that much time። ከዛ በፊት የነበረው ሳይክል ላይ it did spend much time በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ አሳልፏል። so maybe we're in this region, we're going to be spending a lot of time in this regression line, okay, and then we're going to build off from there በ2027 እና we're going to be seeing higher prices for Ethereum, maybe 10k, maybe 15k, we don't know. That we're going to be talking when the time arrives. የዛ ሳለ በደንብ እናወራናል። ነገር ግን I wanted to show you this. So I guess Ethereum is going to be retesting. ትዝ የሚላችሁ ከሆነ ኤፕሪል ሎ የነበረው የኢቴሪየም ፕራይስ how much was it? 1.1470 ነበረ። No 1100 no 1660 sorry to be precise. So I guess we are going to go down there. ከዚህም ወደ ታች ወርደን maybe we're going to go to the lower band of the regression line. So I wanted to provide you with the update of Ethereum. The markets are recovering, as you can see. Bitcoin basically erased in the last 24 hours የነበረውን 15% loss erase አድርጎ አሁን ወደ 70 ሺህ ላይ እየሄደ ነው። If you can see here, in the last 30 days it has been going down. The general trend is to the downside. General trend ወደ ታች እየሄድን ነው. It doesn't mean if you have any kind of rally that the bear market is over. I think we are going to go even lower from here. So this is my expectation. If you guys like the content in the video በጣም ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። አይታችሁ ብቻ አትለፉ። ለቻናሌ በጣም ስለሚጠቅመኝ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። see you next time። ስሜ ሮቤል አለሙ ነው። ይህ ቢትኮይን ኢትዮጵያ ነው። የተሻለ ገንዘብ ሲኖር የተሻለ ሰዎች እንሆናለን። በሌላ ኤዱኬሽናል የሆኑ ቪዲዮዎች ላይ እንመለሳለን። አሁን ሰሞኑን የማርኬት ቪዲዮ ያበዛንበት ምክንያት የማርኬቶቹ ሲቹዌሽን ትንሽ አሳሳቢ ደረጃ ስለሆነ ነው እና እናንተ ማውቃችሁ ኢንቨስት እንድታደርጉ አኪሙሌሽን አመት መሆኑ እንዳትረሱ እና አይ ጌስ ሜይን ኤክስፔክት እናድርግ የቢትኮይን ሎ ወይስ እንደ ሁል ጊዜ ኦክቶበር? what do you guys think? ኮሜንት ላይ አሳውቁኝ። next time